In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate Asana and Notion with automated two-way updates. This integration can really streamline your workflow by ensuring your tasks and projects stay in sync across both platforms. Now, Asana and Notion don't offer a native direct integration for this kind of update, but we can make it happen using a handy third-party automation tool called Zapier. So let's walk through the process of setting up this integration. First, if you don't already have a Zapier account, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process, and once you're logged in, you're ready to start creating what's known as a zap. For the first zap, we'll set up a connection from Asana to Notion. Begin by creating a new zap and selecting Asana as your trigger app. Essentially, the trigger is the event that kicks off the automation. Within Asana, choose a trigger event that suits your needs, such as new task or task completed. This choice will depend on what specific tasks you're looking to sync. After this, you'll need to connect your Asana account to Zapier. Then configure the trigger by selecting the particular project or task you want to include in the automation. Next, you'll set Notion as your action app. For actions, you might choose an option like create database item or update database item, depending on whether you want to add new entries or just update existing ones. This step involves mapping the fields from your Asana tasks to the corresponding fields in Notion, such as task name, due date, and description. This mapping ensures that all relevant information is transferred accurately. After setting up the mapping, it's time to test the zap to make sure everything is working as expected. Once you're satisfied that the zap performs correctly, go ahead and publish it. Now let's set up the second zap to create the flow from Notion back to Asana. This time you'll start by choosing Notion as the trigger app. Select a trigger event like new database item or database item updated, again depending on your needs. Connect your Notion account to Zapier and configure the trigger with your specific database settings. For the action app in this zap, choose Asana. Here you can select options like create task or update task to reflect changes from Notion back into Asana. Similar to the first zap, map your Notion fields such as title, description, and due date back to the corresponding Asana fields. Finally, test and enable this second zap. With both zaps in place, you'll ensure that any update or creation of a task in one platform is reflected in the other, keeping your projects seamlessly in sync. This integration is a powerful way to maintain continuity and efficiency in your workflow. That's all it takes. Now you're ready to enjoy a perfectly coordinated task management system.